Hi guys, this is Shahadat, and today I'm going to show you a way of downloading YouTube videos for you so that you can watch the videos later without connecting to the internet. So there are a few applications available there, but in most cases they are expensive. And the others that are free that you can use, they are full of so many advertisements, it's really annoying. So this particular tool that I'm going to talk to you about today, it's a free open source tool. It's a command line interface based tool, but it's so simple to use that I was basically blown away. So let's get into it. Let's show you the steps. The first step is you have to, where is it? Let me switch my screen. I need to switch my screen. Uh, yeah, hopefully this worked this time. So the first step is you need to go to this website, https, you've got the address written here, so you can just pause the video and copy it. And the website looks like this, where if you use a Linux operating system or any kind of uh, Nix operating system, you can follow the instruction from here. And in the they've got some instructions in terms of how you can download it and install it in your machine. For Windows, there is this file. You can just click on it and the file will get downloaded. Make sure you do the SSH check because it's a exe file. You don't want to run a exe file that is corrupt in any way, right? So you do that. Once you have done that, move it to a particular folder that you want the files to be stored. So in my case, let's just go to, no, this one. Let's go to, oh my goodness, I'm in the same folder all the time. Right, let's go to this one. This is where the file is. youtube-dl.exe is the name of the file. So we will run this file in a few seconds now. So the next step is once you have downloaded the file and placed it in a folder of your own choice, what you do is go to command prompt. And if you don't know how to get there, you just type cmd and it shows up in the list here and you click on it and immediately you end up in this screen. In your case, the screen will probably be a bit smaller because I have increased the font size to 36, which that's why it looks a little bit big. So in that folder, what you do is you just type YouTube-DL space and then the address of the URL of the video that you want to download. So for our example, I'll go to YouTube and Dr. Eric Berg, I like him, I actually follow him, and I want to share or download his video because I really want to learn about how I can look after my health. So I go to this website, sorry, the interface where I can copy the URL from, click on copy, and then go back to my command line interface, and then I just right click. Immediately it gets typed there. And what I do is, just before doing it, let me just show you once again that the folder is empty other than this exe file. There is no other file here. So once I hit enter and it starts doing its thing and the file starts downloading and within 7 seconds, it downloaded a 43 megabyte long file. The speed is obviously dependent on your internet connection speed. So it may vary. If you have a better connection, then it'll be quicker. If you have a slower connection, it will take probably a little longer. But the job is actually done. So the format is very simple. You just type YouTube-DL and then after the space, you just paste the URL of the video that you want to download. And going back to the folder, you see there is a file that was downloaded. It's a MP4 file as it shows. But just to make sure that it has actually downloaded correctly and it plays all the way through, I'm going to play it now. It'll be a little bit loud. Let me put the volume down of my sound system. So I double clicked on it and I see it is playing. That can really affect
your results.
So that I kept that little bit of volume just to make sure that, just to show you that the video is actually working. And if I go to different locations of the video, I can see that it's working, and it's working right till the end. So it was downloaded correctly. Yay! So that's basically what I wanted to show you today, how you can, using this free tool, you can download YouTube videos and store them in your computer or in your mobile phone so that you can watch them later when you don't have internet connection or you are out and about. So use it and get the benefit. So with that, I'll wish you all the best. I hope to see you again. And for now, um, look after yourself and see you later. Take care. Bye-bye.